Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to show you this really cute storybook. My daughter has had this since she was small, and we still love to read it because the lettering in it is a nice size that you can see it. It helps you to learn too. Like I find I like to have a lot of books, even when she was small, to have her start to read now to me. So it's kind of a nice thing to do together. But this was always such a cute story. Count to 10 with a mouse. This is the hardcover book. So this has stayed in amazing shape. The illustrations and colors beautiful on it. And it's got such a cute little story just to get to the number 10. So it's kind of nice because your child's learning how to count, but at the same time, I love that it's just a great story when you're learning to read and just to be able to go through. And the story of this little mouse is so cute. I love how they just have it like he's going through the pages. They made it as if it's like just the detail on the side, like the 3 dimensions of how it looks like the book inside and how he's going through. It's such a cute little idea and it's such a beautiful story. That's just my point of view.